We got a recipe out of here in this Southern Keto recipe book by Natasha Newton. We're going to be following along. Not exact, but pretty close. And we're going to be doing some white fish from this recipe book, Keto. So also making tartar sauce. That is from this book as well. Now, as you know, I sometimes use two cameras. This camera failed me. I had it in the wrong setting. It's in slow motion. Probably not using it again because it's too complicated for me. So we're just going to have the food shots for the most of the video and not the second camera. So that's why it's just going to be strictly food. So it's going to be straight to the point. You're just going to get to the good stuff on the Okie Smoking channel. So we've got 1 cup of mayo. This is some Duke's mayonnaise here. To make this fresh keto tartar sauce. 1/4 cup of some dill pickle relish. This is 0 carb. It calls for 1 tablespoon of lemon juice freshly squeezed. I'm just got 1/2 of a lemon cut, and I'm just gonna put a good amount in there. That's probably overkill. I think that's good. And then we're gonna go ahead and add some, it calls for minced onions. I had chopped onions, and we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of that in here. And then just some salt and pepper. Throw some pepper in here just to taste. I've got some salt. And we're going to mix this up. We're going to add, how much of this Worcestershire?
That's a 1/2 teaspoon.
1/2 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And we'll mix that in here. The recipe calls for dried parsley flakes. We didn't have any, so we're just leaving that out. So,
You're going to do a taste test?
Let me go ahead and see what this tastes like real quick. Tastes good, but I do need to chill it. You want to make this first because we're going to put this in the fridge to chill it while we get the fish cooked. So I've let the fish dry a little bit, pat dried it, and it's ready to be done. This is 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. This is some crushed pork rinds, 1/2 cup or a little more, and 1/2 cup of parmesan. And I've just got some standard white fish. Little fillets here. And I'm going to first just go ahead and put this in the heavy whipping cream and egg mixture. And I shouldn't have wet both hands, but we're going to go ahead and move this into this. Look at that. And we also added some of this sweet mesquite seasoning here. Kirkland brand, just sprinkled it up on here for some extra seasoning. If you watch my channel at all, you know we don't always or rarely follow a recipe exact. I always say make it how you like it. This is how we like it. Let's get the grease fired up. So I've got the grease here. We checked it. It's about 350 to 360, 70 degrees, right where we want it. And so now let's just place these pieces of fish down. We'll probably lose some of the breading. I'll just do 4 right now. And we're going to cook these about 2 minutes per side. Hopefully the breading don't fall off too much. See how it looks here shortly. Now that breading stayed on nice. Look at that. That one lost a little bit. Take a look at the first batch. Looks pretty good. Pretty good. So I'm going to fish these up. Don't want to bore you with this, and I'll see you inside. We'll see how they taste. All right. You can see there. Did lose on some of the breading. Next time we were talking, she said we'll use the bullet, get it a little finer, and it'll stay on there a little better. But still looks good. Go ahead and get you some. Got the tartar sauce we made here.
Dang, it's falling apart.
It's flaky, which is a good thing. You know your fish is done when it flakes apart. So let's go. Take a little lemon wedge.
Squeeze it on there. It smells good, you guys.
Try that tartar sauce mixture. I like it.
That is really good. Even how we breaded it, maybe we don't need the
No, it's fine.
ninja.
I have no complaint.
You guys, this is probably my favorite now.
There she goes for seconds already. Have a side salad with it.